Hi guys, my name is Angela from Drink Things. In this series, we are going to teach you how to make a range of easy cocktails. For today's episode, we will be learning to make the fresh and refreshing mojito. You need to have a big lime. Cut it into 6. We'll squeeze all the juice from the lime into the glass. Add sugar and 30 ml of vodka. Then you muddle. Choose 12 of these mint leaves. Slap it, roll it, and drop it into the drink. Finally, you add soda water to fill it up all the way to the top.